Courtly love is the name given to the practice of particularly passionate romantic courtship between the nobility. The concept originally came from the Middle Ages. Presenting courtly love was to show an obsessive idolization of the object of your desire. There were still many rules and conventions to follow. Courtly love was not permitted to include physical contact. Expressions of courtly love would have only been appropriate between those of the same class. Shakespeare chooses to present Romeo as a typical courtly lover when he first introduces his character to the audience. Romeo is so consumed by his infatuation with Rosaline that he has isolated himself from his friends and family and is unable to sleep. The audience can see the extent of Romeo's infatuation with Rosaline at the start of the play through his use of hyperbolic language. One fairer than my love, the all-seeing sun, ne'er saw her match since first the world begun. Marriage was a complicated business for the upper-class nobility in Shakespeare's England. A couple wishing to marry had first to obtain the blessing of the church. Parents had considerable control over their children's marriage. Marriage was often arranged in order to secure wealth and reputation. Young people therefore had little power in the match. Shakespeare's portrayal of Romeo and Juliet's relationship contrasts with both the traditional courtly love of Romeo's earlier infatuation with Rosaline and the conventions of Elizabethan love and marriage. Then move not while my prayer's effect I take. Thus from my lips by yours my sin is purged. Then have my lips the sin that they have took. Sin from thy lips? O trespass sweetly urged, give me my sin again. You kiss by the book. It is important that Shakespeare presents Romeo and Juliet's love as something different. The audience needs to understand why the young lovers would risk and ultimately sacrifice so much to be together. What is love? Are there different kinds of love? Why is love important to many people? Why is marriage so important to some people? What might be wrong with infatuation?